this. 気になるならば全然。あ、これ。あ、はい。ありがとう。This must be. Alright, what's up, y'all? That was the mottanai flea. I got this hat. It's like one of them conductor hats, and also I got this too for a combo deal. Pretty good price. So so that's pretty worth it. We're gonna check out the main Broadway area, and there is an archive store somewhere here, and I'm pretty sure there's like this like black owned bakery. I want to check that out. That sounds wild. Konnichiwa. Apple spice cake お願いします。はい。330円。美味しそう。
なんで、いつしようかって説明すると、電車の中はなんか、上って何個聞いてるじゃないですか。暑いじゃないですか。それでちょっと待って。おお。Where from?
Oh. Alright, y'all. Be sure to check out that store cabin. When I walked in, the guy remembered me. He remembered my name. I can't believe I got motion out here, y'all. Shout out to them. Fire, but yeah. Got the rock. I'm gonna come back for Sometimes I like it more than Second Street. Alright, trade fact. Let's hit it. Now you go.
It's just like work. So, I get it closer.
Oh, this is the coolest scarf I've seen. That is fire. Cherry hat. Alright, that's just gonna be a preview of Koenji. I plan to dedicate like the whole day to this. I just happened to hang out with a friend here. But we're gonna hit Nakano one more time before we head out and then get some food. Alright, we are in the residential streets at Nakano. I believe there's a store to our right. Wow, this is crazy. Wow. Alright, y'all. This jacket is actually fully reversible. It becomes like a French military under. Insane. Let's see what else we find. Oh wow, that double. It's fire. Let's see what's this right here. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. I really respect them for having Phenomenon. It's a good Japanese brand.
Mosquito.
Oh, this Moschino? Oh, really? Is Gosha? Oh, I like this style.
Like ninja.
Mm-hmm.
アメリカから。
こんにちは。This is fire. Alright, y'all, end of the day, just want to do a quick recap of the day and honestly just give a shout out to these two stores. I think I want to just give shout outs to places where I had great experiences in Japan because I feel like that's what it's all about sometimes. Like, sure, there's fashion, cool clothes, and all that, but it's just great walking into a store. They know some English, I know very little Japanese. We chop it up, we have a good conversation. So make sure you check out Cabin. Make sure you check out this store. I was able to chop it up, learn more about just the Japanese fashion scene. I did find out Japan has transplants. People be saying they from Tokyo, they really from Chiba. It's like the people coming to LA saying, "Oh, I'm from LA." You're from the IE. Just say it. You don't gotta lie. Just say where you're really from. I rep the IE out here. Anyways, pickups at the flea market. First, you gotta shout out this kind of like newspaper hat. And it has a bear on it. I showed my third grandma what I copped, and she told me if I wear this hat, they're gonna shoot me. Because I don't know if you guys know, but Japan has like a bear problem going on right now. And they giving the Japanese people guns to fight them off. But now I saw it, I was like, oh, this is overly long now. And from that same guy, we did a little bundle deal. This is like one of the best items I saw right there. He had the undercover, like the 5-pocket belt thing. It's kind of used, but this was really clutch today for all my cameras. I'm still not sure what this middle one's supposed to do. Fits my Osmo Pocket real nice, but yep. Store at the end, LVMY. First diesel piece. I'm not really crazy about diesel, but when I was about to leave, I saw this. Here's the front. It's pretty simple, right? Star. I really like this back hit though. Something about it. 78 with the, I'm pretty sure that's in Chinese. And then even on the sleeve, kind of has like this almost overlock baseball stitching. Even on the cuffs on the wrist. So yeah, real cool diesel sweater. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Check out the website too. Or if you guys don't know, we got a website, all the maps, all the stores, all the yup over there. Check that out. All right, see ya.